Guys, check this out. Look at this. This is a 2015 Dodge Charger RT with a 5.7 Hemi in it. I mean, this thing is meant to be driven, and this client, he's driven this thing the way it's supposed to be. But the problem is, he's got hot spots on his brake rotors. And if you look at it, there's no slots or holes or nothing like that in there for venting. So these things get hot all the time. This man's just trying to brake normally, and they're getting hot spots in them, and he's having trouble braking. So let's go ahead and put the power stop brakes on here. That'll keep it from getting these hot spots, keep it from getting any of these warps or anything like that, and it'll let these rotors cool properly the way that they're supposed to be done. All right, let's get to it. All right, so check out what we're doing to fix this. So we got some elite level brake pads here. These are gonna stop it so much better. Just these pads alone are gonna stop it way more effectively and way quicker than just the generic pads. But the problem is, the rotors are still gonna get hot, still gonna get hot spots and warp, and they're still gonna vibrate whenever he puts the brakes on. So here's how we're preventing that. We got from power stop brakes, we got some drilled and slotted brake rotors. Now these things have superior ventilation. They're gonna vent a lot better, they're gonna cool off a lot better, and they're not gonna get so hot, and they're not gonna warp, they're not gonna get hot spots on them nearly as fast or as easy. So this is gonna fix most of this guy's, if not all of this guy's problems with these vibration in his brakes. So let's go ahead and put these on and let's see what we think. All right, so we got it all installed. It looks good, it was easy to install. It just uses all the same just OEM brake calipers and all that kind of stuff. So the only thing we changed out was the rotor and the pads. But now here's the time for the real test. Let's take it on a test drive and let's see how she rides. Alright, so we're going out on the test drive. I got you propped up on my tripod so that I'm not breaking any traffic laws or anything like that. Just want to test these brakes out. So I'm kind of a busy part of the road, so I can't really brake check or anything, but I'm gonna, within the confines of the legal limits, I'm gonna go ahead and test these brakes out and see how they do. Alright, yeah, just automatically right off the bat. I mean, I'm barely even whispering on the brake pedal and it's slowing down. And it's smooth, it feels good. I don't feel any vibration or anything like that in the steering wheel or the seats, nothing. Alright, coming up to a red light. Let's see how she does on a full stop. Oh man, that's clean. It's kind of weird to hear somebody talk about like, oh man, yeah, that's some good brakes or whatever. Like, oh yeah, that feels good. But it really does make a big difference. Just in reliability and trust in your system and everything. So, all right, let's get back and let's talk a little more about it. All right, just get back from the test drive. Man, these pads and rotors are beautiful, man. All his vibration that he had in his steering wheel is gone. Any lag that he had in his braking is gone. I mean, you touch that brake pedal and it stops fast and it stops smooth. So it's well worth the money. Very budget-friendly upgrade. I'm gonna start recommending these rotors and pads to everybody. Like I said, very budget-friendly, great upgrade. You can notice the difference immediately. So I'm gonna stop using these guys from now on. Thanks for watching.